Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. Today, guys, I will be saying goodbye to this dragonfruit trellis right here. It's the end of the season, and this was one of the trellises that fell over, and I had to put it directly into the ground. Even though I love the production that it gave me, it's not a stable trellis, and it seems like the vines kind of like shriveled up. As you can see, the vines kind of shriveled up. Mostly probably due to the sun and maybe the fact that it's not getting enough nutrients. So I'm gonna pull it out and I'm going to put put it back into a container, a stable container, and start to grow that same variety. I really love that variety. That's my no ID purple. I really love that variety. I might save some cuttings from there, but it also gives me the opportunity to grab four more cuttings that I could probably put in here for new varieties. I don't know what I want to do quite yet. That means I would have to go out and get another trellis and then go from there. But definitely I want to pull it out of here. No need of me keeping it around. I have the time to do it now, so I'm gonna be doing that right now. All right, thank you guys for your continued support. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe. Peace.